Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about what is NPM. So before we dive into actually Express.js and nitty-gritty detail about it, let's first talk about what is NPM and what the heck is this. So let me give you one example. What if I told you that you have built an e-commerce web app and you have to write all the code from scratch for the authentication, for building your own server. Isn't that to Zebris and isn't that too tedious? So what actually npm allows us to do, it is node package manager, that is its full form, and it actually allows us to install the dependencies, which means the code that is written by other developers that you can integrate into your project so that you can make your projects sooner, efficient, and much more easily. So let's see how we can use npm. So if I take you to the npm website, npm.js, and as you can see, you can search for any package that you want. So let me search here for superheroes, and as you can see, this package describes that this package gets the name of superheroes, and as you can see, its weekly download is 2428. So for the example, it is better now. So in order to install any package, you just have to copy this npm install and that dependencies name. But before actually installing the dependencies, first we have to initialize their package.json file. And what is that package.json file? Actually it allows us to install dependencies. So first, in order to initialize the package.json, you just need to write npm init -y, or you can just write npm init, and this will generate. So you have to give, you can give any here as you want. I will give here web app, and if you I can hit enter, and yes, and let me just clear it, and now you are able to install that dependencies. So let me just copy this here, it is copy, and I will just paste that here and hit enter when you type that. And as you can see, we got package.json generated file. So let's, while it is installing, let's talk about what is this. So as you can see, so what is package.json file? As you can see, it has name key, that is key and value pair. Actually it's a JSON file, that means JavaScript object notation, and if you don't know, then make sure to comment it. I will create a video about it. So as you can see, we have name, version, description, and this all that, and here are some scripts, and here is dependencies. So dependencies is nothing but a package that allows us to install some dependencies from the source, that is npm.js. And as you can see, we got that dependencies superheroes. Now we can actually look at how we can use them. So I will just write here #6 npm.js.js, and we can actually see its documentation, that how we can use it. So first, as you can see, we have to first require it, and I will just paste that here. After requiring it, as you can see, we can get superheroes.all. So let's just uh, write here console.log superheroes.all, and let me run that file. So I'll write a node #6 and that file name, and as you can see, we got 1725 superheroes name. So this is how we can use it, and we can also use that random function to get random superheroes name. So I will just write a random, and this will actually give us the random superheroes name. And if I hit it, as you can see, we got Hyperion, Emma Frost, we got Night Thrasher, Captain Cross. I don't know what these names are, but this is how you can basically use npm to make your code more more efficient, and you can actually install other codes and integrate it in your project so that you can make your any project much sooner and faster. So now let's talk about some Express.js.